Welcome back to the channel. My name is Andrew. This is the Medellin Real Estate Investments channel. In this video, we're going through an apartment located right above Provenza, about a 10-minute walk. Beautiful area. And the first thing that we see here when we walk through the door and go left is this little patio area or this little balcony that overlooks the treetops. I love when apartments do this because there's so much greenery in Medellin. It's got the bar stools out there. Cool little hangout area. This is an office area, and then walking over here, we see the first half bath. This is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2-story apartment. As you can see, there are stairs here that will go there here in a minute. But first, let's take a look at the living room area and / dining room area here, overlooking, again, the treetops of Provenza. This is the kitchen area. You've got the stove, microwave, the countertop here. It is so beautiful. It definitely reminds me of kind of like a country home feel. It definitely feels like a home to me. This is the storage area / laundry area. You've got the stackable washer dryer. You've got the water heater there. A lot of storage space, which I really liked. Another countertop here for cooking and more storage there. This is, again, the living area. We're going to go upstairs. We'll come back down and look at this other room down here later, but first let's go up here. I really love the design here. You've got some bohemian touches. It's got a contemporary feel as well. You've got the wood that makes it feel very warm. I really like that. This first bedroom has its own bathroom. It's got a pretty good view, as you can see. You'll probably recognize some of these buildings if you've stayed in this area above Provenza. And this is the bathroom, which is a full bath. I think they did a great job of coordinating the design. As you can see, all of the mirrors in the bathroom have that wood grain around it, and or the wood patterns, I guess. And the tiles, they match, the kitchen ones, which is really cool. This is the other bedroom here. And this one has a view into the, this is not Provenza area. The view would be away from Provenza up the hill. And okay, so we're going to go back down the stairs here to take a look at that other bedroom and kind of a bird's eye view here of the apartment, which is beautiful. I mean, they did a great job with the remodel. This apartment itself has 141 square meters, which is about 1,500 square feet. This is the master bedroom, king-size bed with the large bathroom here. A lot of space. The asking price on this one is 1,500,000,000 Colombian pesos, which comes out to be about 352,000 US dollars. This is negotiable. I've shown this to a couple of people already. I know this is going to sell pretty quickly just because it does well on Airbnb. And of course, people would love to live in it. And this is the view of Provenza. So if you want to make an offer on this one, if you'd like to see it, or you're just looking for something else, all you got to do is click on the link in the description below. Make sure to fill out our form, and somebody on our team will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you want to see some more great videos, make sure to check out this playlist right here.